I'm fitting this new mudguard to this Batavus bike, and my problem is I don't have any attachment, any holes to attach it. I've got a couple of holes for the derailleur protector, but nothing else. So in my box of goodies, this is where I keep different clamps for reflectors. The smaller ones like this are going to be very useful. I've shaved a piece off there, and I'll show you how this fits on. There we go. That is the reflector that normally goes on somewhere on this seat stay. This is a square section rather than a round section, by the way. So anyway, and it goes to a flatter bar section there. So if I had put this support wires inside there, I wasn't getting it clamped enough. So I've put it on the inside with a split washer so as it doesn't come undone. And here we go, if it will focus. It's not going to slide up there because of the design of the frame. So that's how it looks so far, and now I've got to work out how to do the other side, which has the brake caliper on. We'll see. Well, I'm going to have to cut this one down to size and shape the inside a bit to fit the other seat stay, which is quite different in terms of where I can mount this mudguard clamp. I've sawn this piece off, and now I'm just going to use my multi-tool to shape this in the round. Yeah, like that. There we go. That's made that round like the other side, and we'll just clean up the nuts and bolts which are a bit rusty before I assemble it. And there we have it. Fitted the seat stay reflector bracket as a bracket for the mudguards. Slight bend I had to put in that again, give that a clean up, and maybe that bracket could have been longer to try and close that gap, but if I close that gap then it might have made that look a bit different. But overall the bike has a mudguard now.